Hi, today I'm sharing a little bit of information with you about credit reports and credit scores. So your credit score is a 3-digit number that is generated based on the information that's found in your credit report. Your credit report is basically a report card of the different ways that you have used credit. So different examples of using credit would be a credit card, a student loan, a car payment, a personal loan from a bank, a mortgage. Any way that credit has been extended to you, and then it's a showing of how you have paid that credit back. Things that are not shown on your credit report and are not considered credit would be services that you pay for on a monthly basis. So something like your cell phone bill, your car insurance, your internet, your cable, your water bill, your electric bill. Those things do not show on your credit report, and those payment histories do not show on your credit report unless you don't pay those bills and they get sent to a collection agency, in which case it will show on your credit report as a derogatory collection account. Now, what happens is those creditors, the credit card companies, the student loan companies, they are going to report information about your account back to the 3 credit bureaus. So those 3 credit bureaus are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Now, each of those companies is going to take your information. They're going to take that information found in the credit report, and they're going to use that to calculate your credit score. Now, each of those 3 agencies may calculate the information slightly different, and they may also receive different information, which is why you may have a different score from each of those 3 bureaus. Now, when it comes to looking at what your score is for purposes of trying to get a loan, the score you need to be concerned with is a FICO score. FICO scores are what the majority of lenders, car lenders, banks, those are the main scores that those places are going to use. And each of those 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, will create a FICO score. Now, there are other scores you can get. There's, I think there's a Beacon score. There's scores you could get from Credit Karma. Those are not the scores that are used by lenders, and we tend to see some pretty big variations between those scores and your actual FICO score. So if you're trying to figure out what your score is for purposes of getting a loan at some point in the future, FICO is the one you need to be concerned with. Now, why do you need to be concerned with your credit score? Even if you're not planning to purchase a home, at any point in the near future, your credit score affects a lot of different things. It can affect whether you can get a credit card. When you go to get a car insurance policy, your credit can affect what rate you get. When you are ready to purchase a home, it can affect what interest rate you get, what programs you qualify for. So keep an eye on our page, and we'll be posting some future videos on how to get a good credit score. Thanks.